I'm Matt Schmall. I'm currently a first-year student at the Northern Alberta Medical Program in Grande Prairie. I'm originally from Raymond, Alberta, which is a small rural community about 25 minutes outside of Lethbridge. It's a really great environment as far as all of us working together and really having each other's backs and being able to pull for one another. The campus itself is really vibrant. It's really great being able to walk into the hospital, to be able to go to school. I mean, you feel like you're in the perfect environment to learn. I'm a big fan of the outdoors. I love to spend a lot of time hiking, hunting, fishing. It's a wonderful community, a lot of amenities, a lot of things to do. Really great for families. I really have that strong drive towards serving my rural community, whether that's back home or whether that ends up being around in the Grande Prairie area. I'm not too sure, but we look forward to seeing how things turn out in the future.